Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Shelly Jack Studio. I'm Shelly and I just wanted to take a few minutes to introduce myself to you and to talk about what this channel is going to be all about. I've been sewing for 35 years or so, bag making for at least 20 of those. I'm an artist. I love to paint. I love to paint flowers. I've been doing that my whole life. Mostly within the last 10 years, seriously. And I love to make my own fabrics in my own bags and my own patterns. So I would love to show that and share that with you guys. Here's an example of fabric that I've made. I golf, so I put together my own design of golf balls with my own little logo. Of course, it's a sunflower, and had that printed out onto some fabric. So I would love to share that with you, that process, how I did that, if you're ever interested in making your own. Very easy and fun to do. I've also created this bag with my original design. I love to make everybody else's patterns as well. So I would love to do tutorials and show you guys some different techniques that I've learned over the last 35 years of sewing. And I use a domestic machine, I use an industrial. I just got this industrial, it is awesome. But most of these bags here I have made on a domestic machine. I prefer the industrial for bags with heavier fabric, but the options are endless. Let's see, what else? I'm planning on creating videos, at least 2 a week. That's my plan. I would like to have painting tutorials on Mondays, sewing tutorials on Thursdays, vice versa, something like that. I am brand new at this, so I'm sure that's going to change as we go along, but that is my passion and I just want to share that with you guys. So thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing and sharing this channel with other creatives that you might know.